If you're tired of feeling like you're doing everything yourself, maybe it's time for a change. I would like to take this step and show you exactly what I've created that can help you. And it is a simple automation that just recreates, repurposes what you have already created. And it's your personality, your business's personality. It's not changing anything. It's not bringing AI into the realm with robots and crazy looking drawings. It's basically just repurposing your content the way you want it to be done. You can do YouTube, you can do Instagram, you can do Pinterest. It's fantastic. I really think that you'll find it very valuable to take a look and see how you can use automation to repurpose your existing content and take that heavy load away from your constantly having to upload content to keep the algorithm.